Hey guys, this is now question 2 from this PDF, and it's saying for the vectors shown alongside we're supposed to determine b minus 2a, and I've drawn it again here on the whiteboard. So the first thing you do when you see this kind of a question is to write a, b, and c in their vector form, Cartesian form, the one I was talking about in the previous video. These are the magnitudes. The magnitude of A is 44, the magnitude of B is 26.5, and the magnitude is 31. A is making an angle of 28 degrees with the positive x-axis. Oh my god, I forgot to, label my axes. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. And C is just along. B is making an angle of 56 degrees with the negative x-axis. So we're going to start off with A. Writing A in vector form. So as you can see, A is acting along the positive x. Its components are going to be like this. One will be like that. That will be the x1, and the y1 will be acting upwards. Up is positive, and to the right is also positive. So both of them are positive. So A is close to 44. Since for the x component it's 44 cos theta, and the theta is 28. And you might ask, why am I saying cos? When you are going towards the angle, you say cos. When you're going away from the angle, that's when you say sine. And then the y component plus 44. Since we're going away from 28, then it's sine 28. Y, this is your x, and this is your y. So A is equals to, let me punch this into the calculator, 44 cos 28. A is equals to 38, 8.8 x plus 44 sine 28 plus 20.7 y. Now we move on to B. For B, this is its x component going that side, that is negative, and its y component is going up, which is positive. So we're going to start off with the x, it's negative 26.5. We're going towards the angle, so it's cos 56 plus 26 that's x plus 26.5 sine 56, leaving us with B is equals to negative 26.5 cos of 56 is minus 14.8 x plus 26.5 sine 56 plus 21.9, no, plus 22 plus 22. And then for our C is simple because it's already along the negative. It's along the negative y-axis. There's no x component, and it's pointing downward, which means it's negative. So C is equals to minus 31. Now we're done with that. So now I'm going to answer the questions using these vector forms of A, B, and C. Let me change it to blue. B minus 2A. So where there's B, I'm going to put my B there. My B is minus 14.8 minus 14. Oops, it put 2 minus 14, 8 x 8x plus, is that a 22? Oh my god, I can't even read my own handwriting. Plus 22y minus 2, and inside I'm going to put my a. A is 38.8x plus 20.7y. And after multiplying out, you get minus, what's 2 times 38.8 minus 77.6x. This negative is also going to make that negative. Minus 2 times 20.7 minus 41.4y. And this comes back the way it is. And I drop these as they are. 14.8x plus 22y. And what now, to finish off, I'm going to add the x's together, and like add like. So minus 14.8 minus 17.6, I mean 77. It's going to be minus 92.4x, and for my y it will be 22 minus 41.4 minus 19.4y minus 19.4y. So this is how you are supposed to do this one, and this is your answer. And if you want to write using I and j, you're just going to say minus 92.4i minus 19.4j. Yeah, so that's how you were supposed to do it. And then for number 2, which is 2a minus 3b plus 2c, we do the same thing. We put our 2 there, and I replace a with a is 38.8x plus 20.7y. I replaced it. Minus 3, I replace b with that, plus 2c, I replace c with minus 31y. And now all I have to do is to multiply out. What's 2 times 38.8? It's 77.6x plus 20.7 times 2 plus 41.4 y minus a minus, and a minus will give me a positive, because minus 3 times minus 14.8 plus 44 plus 44, 4, and then 22 times 3, 22, 44, 66, 22 times 3 minus 66y minus 62y. And I just have to group these. I'm going to add all the x's together and the y's. You guys just know how to do this. That's 77.6 plus 44.4, which is 122x x. Then for my y's, 41.4 minus 66 minus 62 minus 86.6y. And if you want to write it in vector form, it's 122i minus 86.6j. That's right. And if you need help in the next question, or if you want to check it out, be sure to check out the next video in this playlist. Thanks for watching.